Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mosey71 here. Today, we got something special for you. We're putting in brand new shocks from Rough Country in my truck today. Now, I do got, get these out of here real quick. Sorry about that. I do got some torsion keys, but with the way things are with these torsion keys, the bar gets stuck in here and we have to torch them down, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get it today. So we're just gonna do the shocks for right now. These are, try to get these out of here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this one hand, it's hard. Alright, these are Rough Country M3s. These were not released these were released not too long ago. And these are gonna be going on this truck because my shocks are pretty worn out, and for 21 years I believe they need redone on this beauty. I mean, with that torsion bar, it's gonna raise my truck up like at least 2 inches or so to actual level this part out with the rear, so I can have more clearance. From my plan is to get new wheels and tires for this truck. Don't know still what, and I don't know what I really want right yet, but yeah, let's get to it. Well guys, I got the wheel and tire off. Wheels right there. Got it supported on jack stands. Now I gotta try to take this off. This rusty son of a gun, it's pretty, yeah, it's just pretty rusted. And also the shock's pretty done, so let's just get the new ones on here. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we got the first one done. This was a pain to get out, but we got her. And plus the shock, harder than hell to push up. Sometimes it sticks. Yeah, it's just, now it's time for the new ones. Let's get the new ones in, and we'll go to the other side, and we'll get the rear. I might, if I have time, I might do a torsion bars today. I might change my mind because I found something that might work to help me get them out easier. Let's do this. Alright guys, I got her going. She looks pretty nice on there. Now hopefully hopefully she'll ride much better with these new shocks. Definitely looks a lot better in there. Now let's get to putting this wheel on, get to the other side. Oh guys, this time went in a lot easier. I might have to go back in and look at the other side because I don't think there's something wrong with the other side. That bottom bolt right there, I had troubles with. So I'm probably gonna go back to the other side, and then there's the rear. I'll catch you guys in the rear. This project, it's just taking a while, but it should be worth it in the end. I'll have a smoother ride. Yeah, let's just get right to it, guys. Hey guys, I am finally done with this project I worked on today. Took about all day to freaking do this because of the rust that's just caked on, and bolts that just deteriorated every time, sitting for 21 years. But I finally got it and got some new bolts on there, and all the new shots, hardware, and everything. I'll show you guys the review. Now, I got the rough country. I don't know if you guys see that. So they're called the rough country M3s. They're like one of the newer shots. So they think the back ones fit easier than the front. The front two was the challenging part to get to. I don't know if you guys see this. Right in there. I don't know if you guys see that. Yeah, them two was the difficult ones to get to. But I got her. She's got. I haven't driven her yet. I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. It's getting dark, laid out, and I haven't got nothing to eat yet, so I'm gonna get something to eat. But yeah, these are the old ones. Just rusted, old, 21 years. Some of them go down, but don't go back up. Some of them go down really easy. It's just, yeah, it's just bad. It needs done. Now, next up is for my, probably, either the body of this truck, which definitely I need done. Rust right here, all the way around this, all the way around, along this rocker panel right here. Oh, and the next one, the other side too, and then this bed side, and then that fender over there. It's either body work this summer or frame work, which I'm kind of probably going to go towards frame work, maybe, if I'm feeling it. If I'm feeling frame work, I'll probably do frame work. If I'm feeling body work, I'll probably more likely do body work, but depending on which one I want to do, I'm not sure yet. If you guys have any suggestions which ones I should do first, just give me leave a comment down in the comment section. I'll definitely take suggestions. Right now, the route I'm thinking about taking is frame first before the body. But if you guys have any suggestions, just let me know. This is not an easy project. 21 years of rust. She's coming along a long way. And I don't have any plans to slow down. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.